Specifications. Dimensions: 2.87 inches by 1.65 by 2.2, the 5FT. Long power cord offers convenient installation and the flow regulating valve lets you control the water flow rate, so you can get just the amount of water pressure you want, max. Flow rate: 210 GPH, 800 L/h max. Lift height: up to 3.3 featuring watt, 8 W, voltage, 110 to 120 V. Detachable cleanable. This compact water pump is easy to hide or disguise and no additional tools are needed for disassembly and cleaning. A variety of outlet positions. Place the pump flat and choose whichever outlet position suits your needs. Wide range of application. High-performance energy-efficient pump designed for use in ponds, fountains, waterfalls, hydroponic systems, irrigation systems and other water features. 4 suction cups. 4 suction cups are strong and require no extra tools to secure. You can choose vertical or horizontal fixing according to your needs. Top reviews from the United States. Purchased for evaporative cooler. Has lasted longer than OEM and other replacements. Purchased to replace pump in evaporative cooler, which seems to go through a pump about every 2 months, with that being about how long the original pump lasted. Having always replaced the OEM pump with $5 to $10 pumps from eBay, Amazon, this pump was purchased to replace the 4th or so failed pump. This pump has lasted about 5 months without issue. Evaporative cooler is used every day. Serves as a humidifier and air mover in the home. This pump is about 2x the size of the OEM or other pumps, though does not seem to be an issue as it works seamlessly. Overall would recommend these pumps, especially to those needing a pump for an evaporative cooler. Though this item seems to be overkill, it appears to have resolved the issue of failing pumps. For that reason, it has paid for itself already.